Struggling with debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, it's possible to regain control and build a more secure financial future. Fortunately, there are practical and proven methods to reduce and manage debt effectively, no matter your financial situation. Welcome to Money Tip Tuesday from the Making Money Personal podcast. Debt is a tool, and it can be very useful when used properly. Borrowing money can help us buy our first car, get into our first home, or even pursue that degree of our dream job. But like any tool, it's possible to get into trouble if we don't understand how to use it. Taking action when debt becomes burdensome is essential. Recognizing the various signs can detect unmanaged debt, and this awareness can bring a sense of reassurance. Unmanageable debt can reveal itself in some or all of the following ways. There's no ability to save money because it's all going to payments. You have a heightened sense of worry, stress, or anxiety over financials. And your debts aren't being paid on time and are heading towards or currently in collections. Based on these factors, reducing debt to a manageable level is a net positive for your life. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the hope and freedom it can bring. Reducing debt not only improves financial health, but may also improve your mental health. Pursuing and achieving financial freedom usually starts with some form of reducing debt, and proper management is essential to get there. Once managed, you can push that throttle forward and speed rapidly toward finally getting it under control. Here are 3 top strategies to reduce and manage debt effectively. The first is to simplify your payments by organizing and consolidating. Budgeting is a key part of this process. We often stress the importance of budgeting because it's the foundation of successful money management and debt management. It's hard to plan without a budget, and your debt payoff effort won't be as effective. Educate yourself on successful budgeting tactics and find the one that works best. Whether it's a pen and paper or a digital app, it's essential to keep your budget organized. You can also explore some of the top budgeting apps if you don't know where to start. For example, NerdWallet recently published a list of the top budgeting apps for 2025, so you can check that link out in the show notes. Stay organized by considering and exploring consolidation loans or other debt assistance programs. If debts are tough for you to manage, a debt consolidation might take that pressure off and give you the necessary breathing room. It enables you to group some or all of your various debt bills into one consolidated payment that's easier to manage. For help, contact staff at your local bank or credit union. They could help illuminate the right options for your situation and cover the various details involving a debt consolidation. A second way to better manage your debt is to find a way to lower your bills. Cut back on spending if possible. Avoid unnecessary purchases and cancel unused subscriptions. You can also explore ways to refinance your debts, whether auto, personal, credit cards, or student loans, to a lower interest rate. By shopping around for lower rates, you may be able to increase your monthly payment, freeing up more cash to put towards your existing debt. This can also be a significant saving over the life of the loan, making it a worthwhile strategy to consider. And you can try lowering your bills by negotiating with providers and businesses for better rates or payments. Cell phone providers, car insurance companies, cable and internet providers, and even gym memberships will likely try to work with you on a better deal. If not, shop around and see if you can find that better deal elsewhere. And the third way to start managing your debt better is to find ways to increase your income. If you're currently working, consider asking for a raise or even working overtime to bring in a little more each paycheck. Explore a new job for opportunities that might land you a better salary, or consider picking a second job to work a few extra hours each week. Even working an extra 10 hours per week could provide the right amount of buffer in your budget to chip away at that big debt pile. If you need something a little more flexible to bring in cash, consider gig work or freelance work on the side. You could try delivery or Uber driving, pet sitting, or dog walking, which are all popular ways to easily try out gig work. Also, don't forget about other opportunities like tutoring, graphic design, photography, or babysitting. If you decide to try this, just remember to set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes. If you need help getting started on your debt payoff plan, we offer webinars to watch on YouTube that cover a variety of budgeting tools and strategies, as well as putting together a debt payoff plan tailored for your situation. Feel free to watch on demand using the links posted in the show notes. If there are any other tips or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know at tcupodcast@trianglecu.org. Like and follow our Making Money Personal Facebook and Instagram pages, and look for our sponsor, Triangle Credit Union, on social media to share your thoughts. Thanks for listening to today's Money Tip Tuesday. Check out our other tips and episodes on the Making Money Personal podcast. Have a great day, everyone.